So far, banks, because of the cost to serve, have typically preserved relationship banking for high net worth or the affluent customers. I think I see technology or fintech changing this in two ways. One is the use of technology, video technology, and we see our customers using that to give their relationship managers extra support when they're dealing with customers. So that speeds up the process, that lowers the cost, that allows it to lead to a better experience, which means you can basically go after a less affluent person and still give them a similar level of service. So that's one. The other, which is sort of related, is using all the data that you have about that customer across the bank, using artificial intelligence that sits on top of that to generate better advice or make it easier for the relationship manager to give advice. Both of these allow you to serve more people with the same number of relationship managers, and which is why I think it's going to enhance it.
It's a big part of banking where relationship is not a core value proposition or not the most important thing to the customers. For example, transactions, payments. You really do not need to see a teller or see a person to conduct that kind of transactions. And I think areas like this would gradually be replaced by pure play technology.
I think as they hit life stages, and research shows that actually millennials behave just like the previous generations when it comes to key life stages. So when you get married, when you have children, when you buy a house, your need for financial advice actually doesn't go away. And millennials are partaking of that advice in the same way as the people before them. So I do think there will be a countervailing force, right, which will continue, which we just don't see yet.
For fintech to really enhance relationship banking, a primary prerequisite is that banks must be able to adopt technology in a quick and relevant manner.
It's good to agree to disagree on especially in areas where we don't know how it's going to evolve out. I mean, who would know probably that if we start banking with an Amazon Echo or a Siri, would that be called a new way of relationship banking?
We hope you have gathered some interesting insights from our panelists about the topic. Customers will always have the need for a trusted relationship with their advisor, especially in the area of finance. We do not see technology replacing this relationship. Rather, we believe it will enhance the relationship. Customers will be better served in a more timely, accurate, and consistent manner. See you next time at the We Are Here to Talk Fintech series. I'm Michael Fong, and we're here to talk Fintech.